These beautiful waves are a result of using the minimalist hair care system for the last 3 months non-stop. I just thought I'm going to wait for 3 months and actually show you how my hair is looking today. And this is highly colored hair. Fashion colors, plus I do a root touch up every 2.5, 3 weeks. So this hair sees a lot of abuse, it sees a lot of damage, right? And my hair is a mix of wavy and dry, and some of the hair is like really curly, as you can see over here, but it's not straightforward hair. So because of that, I've struggled with my hair a lot, right? But in the last 3 months, with the minimalist serum and the hair mask and the shampoo, this is how my hair is looking. That's how I wear my hair now. The waves are completely beautifully defined, they're hydrated, they're moisturized, and they look very, very nice. I did a video on the serum, the Maleic Bond Repair Serum, and it is one of those transformative products. Once you use, you have to talk about it, and I've been talking about it to everybody I meet. It's great for all type of hair, especially for my hair, which, if you have been a part of this channel, you know I used to blow dry thrice a week because my waves were not beautifully formed or not tightly formed. But I haven't blow dried for the last 3 months. What I have been doing is using the minimalist Maleic Bond Repair hair system. And I call it a system because through the serum and the shampoo and the hair mask, they have this patented mix of ingredients which, even though at a 5%, transform your hair. The transformation you can see because your curls become tighter, your wave definitely becomes very defined, and if you have straight hair, you just got to use it to know how beautiful your hair can actually look. It can transform in about 3 to 4 weeks of time. The first thing you see is the hair breakage completely, almost 90% becomes lesser. And over a period of time, your hair just feels healthy. Just like your skin, when you're using something really nice, it starts glowing and plumping up. This hair system just completely blew my mind. Of course, it's got these nice cleansing and conditioning agents, which most shampoos have, but the secret sauce, apart from that patent pending mix, is also in how hydrating and moisturizing these ingredients are. But if you've been a part of this channel, you know I always say the secret sauce is what is the real percentage of mixing these together. And boy, has Minimalist got it pat on. With the moisturizing and hydrating agents, they have packed in as many proteins and amino acids as possible. In fact, they've effectively made the shampoo into one of the best protein shampoos you can ever use. And what does protein shampoos do for us? Protein shampoos can repair any type of hair and also prevent hair breakage because they're able to get into the cuticle of the hair and strengthen it. So when you're using this hair care system, three things will happen. One, you will see a reduction in the combing force when you're combing your hair dry. Now, all of us, when we comb our hair, generally do not understand or do not even imagine, or हमको किसी ने बताया ही नहीं है that the force that you use can actually break your hair. The ingredients in this hair care system can actually reduce that combing force, which means less breakage, less frizziness, of course. And that's only on dry hair. Wet hair, especially when you're styling your hair, when you're combing it through, clumping it through for wavy hair like I do, even then your hair can have a better chance against the combing force that you're using. And that's happening because it is actually able to improve the tensile strength of your hair. The tensile strength of your hair is how much can your hair stretch without actually breaking apart. So when the hair is strong, it's able to withstand the combing force whether it's dry or whether it's wet. It's taken me some time to develop this wave and make it as tight as it has become, but man, it's been transformative. I can just get about my life without sitting hours and blow drying my hair. Especially now with my super hectic job, this is like an absolute blessing. So thank you, Minimalist. This is so much affordable, especially when you compare it with some of the other leading hair care brands which charge you an arm and a leg in a whole house for the entire hair care system. Homegrown, beautiful, beautiful hair care products. With the hair mask, though, they went to town. They put in as much hydration and moisturizer they could, but look at the amount of proteins and amino acids they've put in for strengthening and repairing your hair. How can your hair not get repaired and look so beautiful? Look at the amount of ingredients they put in over there, they've packed in over there. Just brilliant. But this science is available to everybody. the magic that Minimalist has achieved with their hair mask and the shampoo is that this is high performance delivered to you at the most affordable rate. This is truly a global international standard product available and made in India. I'm sure all of you already experienced this magic. Let me know how it's been for you. For me, I know I've saved so much of my money for absolutely beautiful, dependable results. For more, I'm going to meet you in the comment section.